before we have a bit more mulled cider, next up is tartiflette, which sounds really fancy, but it's like layers of spuds, and we're going to jolly hog it up, right?
Yeah, we're going to pull this overnight cooked gammon, and then we're going to shred it, and then we're going to add some brie. What else have we got, Mum?
Onions, garlic, and some chopped hazelnuts on the top.
This is a perfect way of using leftover spuds.
Not often that you have leftover spuds. It
Not-
does
not
have,
in
not in
our
our house.
Not in our house, no.
So I chop these. Usually, I guess, with a Dauphinoise, you would you would have like loads of thin slices, but with these guys, because they're already part cooked, they're going to fall apart. One of my favourite memories actually was when, because Dad was like very generous at buying presents, wasn't he?
Yeah.
But he had a few shockers, didn't he?
Yeah,
he had a few absolute howlers. He bought you a what I can only describe as an Aladdin costume, but he thought it was a nice outfit. Prince Ali, Ali, Abi, Ali, above. Spuds are done. We need to get pulling that.
Yeah. So this is our Jolly Hog Black Treacle Gammon. It is being cooked overnight for about 10 to 12 hours. These are bear claws, which I appreciate not everyone's got at home. Forks are fine. I like to use the bear claws because they look really cool. What we do first is just twist it up a bit. And we want to keep all the juices in the pan because we're going to mix this all up. It's good in black treacle for a few days. When it comes out of the pack, you'll see it's got a nice dark rim all the way around it. It gives it that sweetness, so when you cook it, it caramelizes up around the outside. I cut my thumb with the bear claws. It turns out they are a little bit dangerous, but luckily Magic Mum turned up with a plaster and all repaired, so thank you, Mum.
Well done, Mum, we're back on track. We fried off the onions
and
the garlic.
Well, so we had the break,
That's pulled, so we need to start layering this up.
Yeah, it's got to chop
just
this up.
before we do that, that is what we all feel like on Christmas Day. That be fair? All right, so I'll start layering this up. So what else would we use the rest of that gammon for, Max?
Absolutely, you can go in any sandwich.
Nice with pasta, actually. Pasta dish, actually.
Put it into pasta, into a carbonara.
Yeah, be nice in that.
As it's shredded, it's pretty easy as an ingredient into anything.
How long are we getting this in for?
45 minutes.
That looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Looks fantastic.
That is a showstopper.
Whoa.
Look at that, Max.
That is going to be hot, but it looks great.
Ooh, where's the cream? Where's the cheese? I found a bit.
I'm going right into the middle.
I found a bit of cheese there. Look at that.
I think this is genuinely one of the best things I've ever eaten.
I was going to say, it really is good, isn't it? This is the cheesy gammon tartiflette, made with leftover, well, can be made with leftover gammon and potatoes if you've got anything left over at Christmas. It's nice as a main dish, really, or, you know, as I say, a Boxing Day treat. I think it's wonderful. I think it's really delicious, so it's a winner for me.
It's a winner for me. I love it. What do you think about it?
I think it's
Absolutely fantastic. Prince Ali, Ali, Abi, Ali, above. I love it.
Is it absolutely?
It's absolutely fantastic. I love this. What do you think about it?
I think it's absolutely
Fantastic.